Woolly wagtail, brown honeyeater. Oh, dusky honeyeater. There is a brown honeyeater, that's the brown honeyeater. Woolly wagtail. And dusky honeyeater. So we've got the three, and there's the brown and the dusky together. That's the dusky. That's the brown. Keeping the distance from each other. Having a good old bath today and it's gone. It's the brown honeyeater back again. Just been chased off, I think, by the dusky honeyeater. And the brown honeyeater is back. So the dusky honeyeater is enjoying the nectar from the flower at the back there. It's the brown honeyeater. And here's the grey fantail. It's showing us why it's called a fantail. Very nice little bird. Grey fantail. And another Lewin's honeyeater come down. Just having a drink so far. I suspected, oh, there we are. And what do we got here? From the back like another dusky, but it looks quite small. Oh, there's an eastern yellow robin. That's nice. Normally these come in pairs. It's just gone off to the back there. There it is. Now what have we got? We've got the eastern yellow robin back there. And here it is back again. Beautiful birds. And here it is back again. Now, yet another dusky honeyeater. You see the colour's better now that the sun has gone down, actually. Yes, that's definitely a brown honeyeater. You can see a little tiny white or palish triangle at the back of its eye. So that absolutely defines the brown honeyeater. Always look for that because there's very similar colour to many other birds, but there we are. Oops, there it is. Hopping down and going and drying yourself on the logs. Just going up, there's the red-necked wallabies in the background, just hopping along, the youngish one at the back there, quite small that one. Look at the beautiful faces, they got to call them, white with the white there. Well, there's three. Away, there you go. Yep, they've gone. And the brown, another brown honeyeater down. I think it's just in the. No. Yes, it is a brown honeyeater. There's still the little triangle behind its eyes, but you'll see that's more brown than the previous one, which was quite green on its back. There is some green there, but not a lot. And now the Lewin's honeyeaters come down. There's Rufous fantail. Bar-shouldered dove coming down to the bird bath. And the Lewin's honeyeater just popped in front of it there. The dove will come down, I'm sure now. Yes, oops, now it's got a little bit nervy and popped back up there. Here it comes again. Looking quite colourful, the bar-shouldered dove. You see the orangey feathers on its back of its neck. It's just hesitating a little bit. I don't know why. No, is it going away? No, it's gone. So the turkey come down now. Ugly creatures, pretty. Missing in feathers and everything on the head, and that yellow piece of the neck is just skin. So there's a juvenile pied butcherbird. Now I do happen to know that there is an adult pied butcherbird there, which is black, and then we've got a blue-faced honeyeater just come down to join the juvenile pied butcherbird. And here comes the adult pied butcherbird, enjoying their bath on a rather warmer day than we've had for some little while. There's the juvenile one again. And there's that's a juvenile blue-faced honeyeater, because it looks the same as the blue-faced honeyeater, but its face is green. That'll turn blue as it matures, and that's gone. And the blue-faced honeyeater has come back again, so that's still the juvenile blue-faced honeyeater, and that's gone. And that's gone. And there's the adult pied butcherbird come back down again. There's a little shrike thrush on the log here, which is so it had flown into the window. It's recovering quite nicely now. It's about the size, well, it's less than the size of an English thrush. I don't know whether it'll let me get that close. We shall find out, shan't we? And it's gone. And the magpie lark, that's a female with the white face. Hopefully the male will come down as well. See the white front to the face. Having a good long bath. And now a white-headed pigeon has come down. And I know there's two more in the tree. That's another one. And just at the back there, that's a juvenile one, not as white. And that's the fourth one. And a lot more. That's 4 white-headed pigeons. There's adults on the right-hand side. Oh, there's a lot more coming down. Obviously, a flock of them. Nice bright white adult at the foreground. Lots and lots of them. They come down and feed on the camphor laurel berries. Big flocks of them. The red eye there, that nice adult. Very fine adult there. Oh, that's another one just popped in front of it. That's a Lewin's honeyeater, and here we have a noisy friarbird, ugly creature, no feathers on its head. Hopefully it'll go sideways and you can see just how ugly it is. I'll try and zoom in even more. Tell why it's called a noisy friarbird. I think it's one of the ugliest birds in Australia, probably the ugliest bird in the world. See the sort of casque, I think it's called a casque on the top of its beak, a little hump. A few little honeyeaters coming down as well, that's gone. And then we've got a dusky honeyeater, I think that's it. It might be a brown honeyeater, I can't see until it turns to the side. No, I think it's a dusky honeyeater. And so is that one. That was a brown honeyeater that came in the back. It's definitely more green, which is strange. There we go, that's a brown honeyeater. They're all coming around at the moment. Lots of them. Whether we shall get anything different, I don't know. We'll see. That's another dusky honeyeater. The dusky honeyeaters are a bit more aggressive than the brown honeyeaters. There's the brown honeyeater at the back. See the little triangle behind its eye when it's gone. That's the dusky at the front, brown at the back there, and more dusky honeyeaters. And the noisy friarbird is back for more. See the casque there on the top of its bill quite easily. I'll try and zoom in whilst it's got that background, and then there we are. See the little bump on the top of its bill. Red eyes. And it's gone. And now we've got brown honeyeaters around. One there, that's a brown honeyeater. And now we've got the blue-faced honeyeater. Quite a nice adult specimen. See if we can zoom in on that blue face. See the white eyes, the blue face. Quite an attractive bird, really. Again, no skin on its face, rather like the noisy friarbird. It's only blue skin, sorry, no feathers on its face. And now we've got another blue-faced honeyeater coming down. having a gentle drink. That's the sound of the sulphur-crested cockatoos. Whether we shall get one of those to come down to hear the bird bath, I'm not sure. I suspect we shall in due course. And there's the sulphur-crested cockatoo down after it's been eating its seed. Attractive birds, very clean here. In some more built-up areas they can be a little bit dirty, to say the least, but here they're very good. Had its drink and away it goes. So a juvenile pied butcher bird. It's a juvenile because of the brownish colour. They're all black and white by the time they're mature. That pale brown bib turns black completely when they're adult. Blue and honeyeater just coming down. And also coming down is a pale-headed rosella. See the beautiful red underneath it there. Obviously a member of the parrot family. Very colourful bird. It's Friday, 17th of September, Amy's birthday. Just having a sip at the moment. I don't think it will have a bath. Tend just to drink when they've been eating seed or something like that. And it's gone. And pied Cooroy at the bird bath. Yellow eyes. Bit of the crow family, but you can see the black and white. Very common noisy birds. A good sip anyway. It is Sunday, the 19th of September. In the sunshine there, very bright eyes. And once again we've got the ugly, noisy firebird. Hear the crows in the background. It's keeping quiet at the moment. And the eastern yellow robin. Lovely birds. And there's another one just up there. They often come down in the pairs. It's in and out of the water very quickly. Beautiful bird. Lost it again. Here it is. That's the back end anyway. It's getting itself really wet. And then a big shake out. Looking very bedraggled now. It's getting rather windy. And we'll leave that alone for the moment. And there we've got a magpie lark. Now, this one is female. As you can see, they've got a white front to its face. Now, if a male comes down, you'll find it looks more like Zorro, so that's just got the white front there. So that's the female magpie lark. I'm sure if there's one come down, there might be another one as well, because they tend to come down in numbers. So when the bird is looking face on, it's got a completely white face. We'll see if the male comes down and allows us to show the Zorro mask. Not bathing, it's just drinking. Noisy creatures. Nice front face on there. And a big drink. Still just drinking. Here another one in the distance. There's a female coal. Come on, wait, let's go this way. There we are, we've got it now. Yeah, very unusual. It's a cuckoo. Male is all black. We don't see them down very often. I've seen one come down to the bird bath in all the time we've been here. It's remarkably composed. See the colours on that. Beautiful bird. I don't know where the male is. Red eye. It's quite a dark one. Dark back to it. Just amazed that it stayed here whilst I've come to the window. And away it goes.